reality is nothing is going to overnight completely change how we transport.
Of course.
Two vertiports popping up today is not really going to make a big impact, right? The problem is there are hundreds of thousands of cars on these roads. 5 vertiports not going to replace that, right? Idea is that it will become proliferated and everyone can use it. But, we will not be able to reach that reality unless we change the way we look at this, in a different way. And every place in the world have a different use case. The use case that we are talking about in Dubai is not going to be applicable in, let's say, London, right? Because I would rather take a tube into London because I know the tube is fantastic, and different places will have different sort of use cases and way it integrates. But again, these are speculations, right? We have seen what's happened in 2024. I wanted to go into the speculation part a little bit later.
But it's about the creativity, right? As well.
Yeah,
Of the
exactly.
aviation
See what is,
stakeholders.
yeah.
And then the inter-airport transfer, and London to Gatwick, people flying with different airlines, and they're not they're different airlines. There's no alliance between them as two low-cost operators. So people potentially there will be somebody who will come up with this service to just transfer people from airside to airside. And there's so much creative work in the aviation that can happen.
Yeah.
And
I mean, this is what I can see, right? I mean, you're absolutely right. Let's say if United or some of these airlines are buying some of these vehicles and they're going to start a service. So there are two things they can do. One is to replace the helicopter service, let's say from Manhattan into the airport, right? There is already a service which is kind of very expensive and also not really sustainable. So let's replace that.